Good morning, or yep, good morning still. 10 minutes till noon. So, anyways, one of the projects I was asked to do was to image all the Diablo discs for a client, and so I was able to image them because their newer computer does not have a DVD player or a CD player or a double layer DVD player. So they wanted to play their old game. So I was able to image all of them. Now, the disclaimer to imaging copyrighted software is technically, according to the Copyright Act of 1976, you're allowed to have one digital backup copy of all of your physical media. That's what it says. So place your discs, put them in storage somewhere. Your keys are in here, not on here. So what you'll do is you'll take your flash drive I've provided for you, you'll pop it in. It should show up on your screen similar to this or open up like this. And you'll see the icons look a little bit different. You'll see it says disk image. This is what you want. Windows 10, Windows 11 are able to read virtual DVDs, and that's what these are. So, and each of the discs here are labeled exactly how they are in the boxes. So, in this particular case where it says disk install, you're going to do a right click mount. And what that will do will create a virtual hard drive down here, or a virtual DVD drive. I'm sorry. And then from there, it looks just like if you was using original DVDs. Now, I've seen that Diablo 2 uses a multiple disc system, so I'm not sure how that's going to work. So I don't know if you'll have to mount both of them simultaneously or pop one in, pop one out. And the way you do that is when you're done using the disc, it's just like any other DVD. You do right click, eject, and it goes away. So that's how you use your virtual DVDs. Thanks. Talk to you later.